If you think camper life ends when the snow starts falling, think again. Today, we're sharing 10 genius winter motorhome hacks to keep your RV warm, dry, and ready for adventure, no matter how cold it gets outside. From insulating windows to preventing frozen pipes, these tricks will help you survive and even enjoy winter camping. So, grab a hot drink, get cozy in your van seat, and let's dive in. Hack 1. Insulate windows and vents. Start with the basics. Keep the heat inside your motorhome. Use thermal window covers, Reflectix insulation, or even bubble wrap on the windows. For vents, try vent cushions or foam boards to stop cold drafts. You'll be surprised how much warmth stays trapped and how quickly your heater works after that. Hack 2. Use a diesel or electric heater wisely. A diesel heater is your best friend in winter. It's efficient and safe. Just remember to vent it properly and keep CO detectors active. If you're plugged in at a campsite, use a portable electric heater with a thermostat and automatic shutoff for safety. Hack 3. Protect your water system from freezing. Frozen pipes are every camper's nightmare. Keep your freshwater tank inside. Insulate your pipes with foam tubing and use tank heaters or heat tape if possible. Also, always keep your grey and black tanks partially empty. Frozen waste tanks can crack easily. Hack 4. Seal drafts and gaps. Every tiny draft can drop your motorhome's temperature fast. Use rubber weather seals on doors and storage hatches. A simple DIY foam strip can make a huge difference, especially on older RVs. Hack 5. Cook inside more often. Winter is the perfect time to enjoy warm meals. Cooking inside adds humidity and heat to your space. Just make sure to ventilate properly to prevent condensation buildup. Hack 6. Layer your bedding. Instead of cranking up the heater all night, layer your bed with thermal blankets, flannel sheets, and sleeping bags rated for sub-zero temperatures. It's cheaper, safer, and makes waking up much cozier. Hack 7. Use a portable dehumidifier or moisture absorbers. Condensation can turn your cozy camper into a damp cave. Use moisture absorbers or a 12-volt mini dehumidifier to keep humidity low, especially if you cook or dry clothes inside. Hack 8. Monitor power usage. Winter drains batteries fast. Use LED lights, minimize inverter use, and monitor power with a battery management app. Solar is weaker in winter, so rely more on campsite hookups or a small generator. Hack 9. Create a mud-free entry zone. Winter camping means mud and snow everywhere. Create a mud zone at your door. Use a plastic tray for boots and hang a small towel or brush nearby. It'll keep your van floor clean and dry. Hack 10. Add warm lighting and soft textures. Finally, make your camper feel cozy. Add warm LED lights, soft rugs, and throw blankets. The right lighting can make even a frosty night feel magical. So there you go, 10 winter motorhome hacks that'll keep your RV warm, safe, and cozy all season long. Which one will you try first? Let us know in the comments below. And if you love RV and camper travel, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more weekly videos. Stay warm, stay safe, and happy winter travels, friends.